I'd like to share with you an extension that we recently developed for one of our clients. We think it's a really cool way of allowing quotations that have been generated within Sage CRM to be viewed online. So I'll quickly put a quote together for a Mid London son against Clive Stewart. I'll give it a title. So my contact, just check my invoice and shipping details. And I'll come back to this available online checkbox shortly. Let's just add a few products from the products table, and I might add a free text item and a comment line. Now you could just send the quote in the normal way by clicking on the send quote option, which opens up a predefined email template with a PDF quotation attached. Now I'm going to enable this checkbox that says available online, and what happens here is CRM has an escalation rule which detects that value, and upon that condition being met, sends an email automatically to the customer. The customer receives a email template that's built to your liking with a button and an obfuscated hyperlink. They land on a web page, and within the web page you see here the CRM organization's logo, address information, contact information, and then details about the customer in Sage CRM, the contact name, email address, the quotation values, the reference, the status, and the lines contained within the quotation. Now if the customer's happy with that, they can just enter their purchase order reference. We have the ability to capture a signature should we need to. And we can accept that quotation. That quotation is now locked, accepted, and updated directly into Sage CRM. Now what we're actually doing here is we're actually encrypting the signature into the CRM database, and when the user is viewing that record within Sage CRM, that decrypts that signature, presents it on screen alongside the date it was last viewed, if it's ever been printed, the total number of views on that page, the acceptance date and purchase order reference. And here we store the geolocated city of the visitor. Now we don't store the IP address, we just use the IP address to geolocate. If the user then prints that quotation online, we also make a note of that in Sage CRM, and the last printed date is updated. Now there are some elements that we can configure within the administration area. So if we go to our online quote configuration, we can do things such as change the logo, we can make the signature optional, and we can choose whether or not to store the location of the visitor. I'm just going to grab another logo from a website, copy the image address, paste that logo in, change the company name that's displayed on the online quote, click update. Let's take a look. Give the page a refresh, and there you go. Now there are lots of other areas where this could be useful, such as account opening forms or completion of engineered job sheets. If you're interested in seeing more, please get in touch, and thanks for taking the time to watch this demonstration.